everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Alvanta screen house. But first of all, let's have a look at what we get in the bag and how we put it up. So let's take a look at what we've got inside the bag. Well, first of all, the bag itself, it is quite oversized actually. This is to help you get it back into the bag once you've used it. Now it's made of quite a thick, rugged nylon, and it has a large zip and carrying handles too. So inside, as we open the bag, you can see there we've got a set of instructions on how to set this up and also how to put it away. The screen house itself is actually bound with a black strap, and fitted to it already are the guy ropes. Now inside this bag are some pegs, and these are empty sandbags as well, which you can use for extra stability when you've put it up. So let's get this up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's out of the bag now, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it up. So we're just going to take the strap off, like so. Just pop that there. And whoa, as you can see, it's a little bit windy everyone, but there we go, that's it. So this is the Alvanta house screen just initially set up. Now what I like about this, first of all, is I like these large doorways, this large zip. These zips are made of silicone, so they're not going to rust or jam. And also we've got here, we have a guy rope at the top and the bottom on each corner, like so. And we also have pegging positions where we can peg this to the ground. So what I've done now is I've pegged it out, and I've got the draft skirt on the inside, and already while I'm standing in here, even though that this is a fine mesh which is mosquito proof, it does actually shade you from the wind. Now they come in three sizes. This is the 10 foot by 10 foot and 7 foot tall. They do a 12 foot by 12 foot, and that's 7 foot tall, and again 7 foot tall by 15 by 15 feet. Now what I found when I was pegging it out was the pegs provided are more suited for grass, so I've used my own rock pegs for this because we're on hard standing, and it's done the job smashingly. So we're now in a situation now where we've got it set up. I didn't bother with the guy ropes because it's quite firm as it is, but if you do get a slight breeze and it picks up a little bit, then perhaps maybe you want to tie it down with the guy ropes. Now another feature of your Alvanta screen house is this extra section here, which is a draft skirt, and it sits on the inside of the actual screen house itself. Now what you can get from Alvanta is you can get an actual carpet that fits inside here, and they do them for all three of the screen houses, and it'll fit flush and neat inside here. So the final thing to look at the screen house in more detail is the roof itself. Now, as I said in the video a little bit earlier, it is 7 foot tall inside here. I'm 5'10", and there's plenty of room, and it doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. Now, this is made of quite a durable material, and also it will protect you from UV rays as well. So due to the good old British weather, we've had to film this section at home. Now what we're going to show you now is the side panels that you can get for the sunscreen, and they hook into these little hooks via elasticated sections in the corners. So as you can see now, we've got two up now, and we're going to fit this one, which is very simple and straightforward. All you have to look for first of all is the narrowest section is at the top and the widest section is at the bottom. So let's fit it. So we're going to hook it on there like so. And again there, just move that chair out of the way. I'm taking the hook at the bottom. We're going to fit this in here. And it's that simple. We've now got 3 screens. Now they come in a pack of 3, and they are also on the website, and there'll be a link to that as well. But I think they're great. Perfect. You can use these when you've got the kids, so they can play in here in the summer while you're away camping, or even your pets, and it'll keep them nice and cool. So another bonus to the actual sunscreen itself. So another thing that Alvanta can provide with your sunscreen are these, the LED lights. They're very simple and straightforward, and quite a clever idea actually, because they're on pegs. So they just clip into the sections down the sides, and they take 3 AA batteries, and they have 3 modes: off, on, and also flashing as well. So while we were at home, I thought I'd take this opportunity just to show you this greenhouse with some chairs in it, more than we had when we were away. And we've got 4 of our garden chairs in here, and there's plenty of room, and there's still plenty of room to add more too. And it'll protect you from the critters in the summer months. So the first thing we do is we push this section in, like so, to the centre. Then we close this up. Then we take this section here and push this inside here, like so, to the middle. And then close up, just like a book. And now we have it all complete. Taking it from either side, we're going to twist it down and over into a figure of 8. Like so. So make sure that the actual screenhouse is equal circular sides, like so. Place it on the ground, take your strap, slide it over into the centre, like so, and then tighten up. So it's now ready to fit into the bag. So we've now got the bag, and as you can see, as I said at the beginning of the video, the bag is oversized because you're never going to be able to put this back the way it was put in when it was manufactured. And now we're ready to zip up. And there we go, it's ready to transport. Well everyone, that was the Alvanta screenhouse. Now as I said before, they come in 3 sizes. This is the 10 foot by 10 foot. They do a 12 foot by 12 foot and the 15 by 15 foot. Now, I think it's a very versatile piece of kit, this, because you can take it away with the caravan and use it for rallies. You can also use it for the kids to play in on really hot days. And you can use it with your camper van or your motorhome, and it's very lightweight and it takes up very little room when you're storing it away. Now, if you're interested in this, there is a code that has been kindly sent to me by Alvanto to get 10% off. And if you use the code Lost Weekends, you will get 10% off the online price. So click the link below if you're interested. But in the meantime, I'd just like to thank you for joining us, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.